6:45 p.m. Yeah, I had just gotten out of the shower and decided to walk out here anyway, so once I seen the Oreo, I figured, alright, let's go ahead and pause for a moment and record that pretty bird, and then we'll step out here. Yeah, this is what we get to see. Yeah, and I swear that I was hearing rumblings minutes back, but, well, who knows, it could have just been sounds of fireworks. Yeah, just lovely, right? It's kind of crazy looking right here. See what I'm referring to. Get in focus here so we can drop the lighting down a little bit. It's kind of strange. Yeah. Well, alright. I guess this is it. Nothing else really to be seen. And I actually have nothing to say other than thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great one. Enjoy your holiday. Skywise out. Stupid. Can you hear this bird? I am literally clueless. Wouldn't you know it? Anyways, I was sitting in the living room going through the recommended watch list, and I started hearing this bird. Right now I am kind of clueless as to what type of songbird this is. Yeah, I think it just flew off down here. Anyways, this is what we got going on now. Yeah, and if you notice this right here, that's a past streamer, trail, whatever. Hey, we got an aircraft that's flying overhead. Like, we'd be able to see it. Unless, of course, it is one of those black aircrafts. Um, yeah. Fat chance at seeing anything amongst all this. Um, okay, where'd you go? Uh, change direction. Oh, it's back here, whatever that was. Okay. I guess this turned out to be more of a bird observation compilation of, well, at least 2 clips now, rather than sky observation. But then sometimes they tend to go hand in hand. Hmm. Yeah. I was wanting to put this out sooner than, well, I guess now what is planned. Because I honestly did not think there would be anything worthwhile of seeing in the skies, but, um, yeah, just, yeah. I don't know, maybe, well, I'd like to say maybe we'd see some colorations later, but I'm almost kind of thinking precipitation could come about. It's feeling so much nicer out here though. Wow. Yeah, I'm actually seeing what appears like discolorations. But nothing is actually coming on. So we are going to end this. Um, yeah, it does appear as though it is getting brighter out here. Oh, my right ear started in with a high pitch ring. Typically, that means somebody's talking about me. Skyway's out for now. You know, coming back real quick at 7:33 p.m. Um, I'm going to go ahead and include something in the link that I actually shared with a couple of people through text. Bigfoot is coming to Michigan. Yeah, you heard me right. And no, I'm not talking about the monster truck of yesteryear. No, I am speaking of the so-called cryptid creature known as Bigfoot, as one was found in the state of New York, and this person is going to take it on tour, and one of the first stops will be in Detroit, Michigan. Once again, this is supposed to occur this autumn. I would love to be able to go check it out, but Already it kind of seems reminiscent of what. Oh, okay, that's I think that's mourning dove. Seems mighty reminiscent of back when I was a kid going to the fairs and seeing. Oh no, that's our green heron or egret, excuse me, green egret. Oh, we got a pair of them out here. Well, how about that? They decided to come up and visit me. Anyways, I am going to leave a link in the description. Uh-oh. I got chickens coming now too. But yeah, we got another one over up in here. Yeah, I see. Well, I don't see you, but I hear you. What is up with these birds coming around me like this? Wow. A pair of green egrets. Yeah, right up here. It doesn't seem like it's zooming in very good. Yeah, right up in here. What in the world? This is wild. No, yeah, wild America. I don't even know if I. Yeah, I think I'm. Wow. Okay. Well, where are you at? You're not moving. Where are you? Oh, there we go. Walking amongst the branches up here. Oh, look at that. In the meantime, yeah, we've got this other one that's up in here someplace. I'd love to be able to see. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so that one took off. And this one here will probably more likely take flight momentarily. I've been thinking that they've got a nest around here someplace. Well, like I said, this turned out to be quite the bird. Oh, no, we got, wow, what, are we getting a grouping of them out here? Because I just seen one take off, and yet this one is still in the tree out here. Wow. Um, Everything happens for a reason and purpose, so I'm trying to figure out why. I'm now. Go ahead and zoom in back on this one that we can actually see up here. Oh, there it is. Kind of reminds me of the dodo bird in the Bugs Bunny cartoons. Wow, this one's. where it's at, but boy, it keeps sounding off. Oh, oh, another one just flew up. What is going on? Oh, 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 there goes that one. Where is this one? Oh, there goes that one in the opposite direction. And we still have one here in this tree. What's bringing them in? Where are you at? Maybe it's crying out for its mate or something. I don't know. Oh, here, let's go ahead and look at this guy real quick. Yeah, this is blowing my mind. We got another one that's up here someplace. And we got swallows that are starting to swoop around. This is very strange. And, you know, I've lived here 17 years, and it's only been within the last 2 or maybe 3 years that these birds have been around, or at least that I have taken notice of them being around. And I've been recording, you know, this area for over 10 years now. Yeah, there's, oh, okay, so I just seen one that flew off, but yet we still have this one. Oh, okay, what is this up here? Oh, getting a little too jumpy with the phone, or with the camera. Um, oh, these are definitely not the songbird that we were hearing earlier. Oh, there goes one. Doggone it. We still have this one up here. I paused it real quick because I had to clear my throat. I didn't want to do that on camera. Yeah, okay, so I'm hearing blue jays back here. At least one. You are like really close and I cannot see you. Oh, we got a bunch of birds that just flew over. I guess I should say a small flock. Wow. Oh, okay, so just had another one land back here on a branch. I am very curious what is bringing them in. It can't be the pond. Unless something is upsetting wherever their natural habitat might be. And so they're taking refuge here. Well, mourning dove. Swallows. Oh man, okay, oh, okay, so the one that was up here been talking, I believe just blew back here. And I think I am still seeing another one up in the tree here. But that, well, that might just be a bit of pareidolia. I'm not hearing anything now. Okay. Wow. We'll look at the sky again here real quick. I guess I could dim down the lighting and enhance it. Okay. Well, sorry. Yeah, now it's the hummingbird. Uh, it's, oh, okay, so I just seen another, yeah, one of the egrets that just flew from the tree line and over top of the apartment complex. Oh, there goes our little hummingbird wanting to come up. Oh, no, we still have one out here. I am so tempted to walk down ground level, see if I can get up closer, but I've got my supper on hold right now. I was planning on just coming out with a quick recording, and well, it's never the case for this guy, is it? But I believe I will go ahead and end this, and well, swallows. Well, I don't know, maybe I could squat down and we could get a recording of the hummingbird. I don't know, it seems like the lighting is utterly pathetic out here. And I don't know what it is about these hummingbirds that they, come up when I step out here to start in recording, and oh, that's when they want to come up. Okay, well, maybe I'll just pause this for a moment and see if the hummingbird should arrive. Well, he thought about coming up. But seen me squatted down here and decided otherwise. Well, but we got him. Albeit rather quick, we still got him. And yeah, I imagine I will be back out here recording a little bit more a little bit later, so I'm going to go ahead and compile these recordings together and get them posted. Some very strange bird content. I imagine if I was to wander out into the woods, we would have just that much more bird strangeness. This is where we shall end it for the time being. Thanks for watching. Skywise out.